Hi everyone, in today's short video we would like to show how you can install the Opera browser on this Doogee V20 smartphone. So first of all, you want to open up the Play Store. Here at the search bar, just go ahead and type in Opera. Next, click on the green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed. Now you want to go ahead and open it. In here, just tap on the continue button. Decide whether some of the options and features this browser has to offer should be enabled from the start, or you can always skip them and leave the configuration process for later. So I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Here you can also either customize the permissions and accesses you are going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything it needs. And from here you can just go ahead and start using the browser. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.